What's up, guys? Welcome back to Puppy Playtime. The crazy Lily Love Braids. The terrifying doll-like thing with the hair that'll chase you. So, yeah, she's got that like cutesy kind of head turn sort of thing. So, and her eyes are unusual. They're big spirals on them. So let's try. So, I'm on a landscape page. Use pencil, use an eraser, hit pause. Use that pause button if I go too fast. So her eyes are interesting because she's got these big spikes and swirls on them. So I think we'll start like here first, like up. Like it's like a straight line pretty much, but it's kind of like a spike, you know? Sorry, that was my phone. So it kind of like spikes down. So that's like her nose is here. So her two eyes come out from this. And this is like the head tilt, right? So then like her eyelash is kind of a thick, looks like a thick rope, sort of like it's curves around her eye at first, right? Kind of, we get a little spike here. Okay. So it's like a letter R, like curves that way. And then this one's the same. And then we'll do our eyelashes, that spiral. So it's like a little spiky part here. Okay. So then these, she's like Tim Burton, you know, sort of Nightmare Before Christmas sort of spirals, you know, like curves around. And this is kind of thick black. It's like solid, you know. So it's like a heavy line. Right, and then the other one. So we'll go kind of like that. Okay, so then the white of her eye, so it follows this sort of line again, so it kind of curves down and back up into just above where this spike stops, like there. So we'll go around, it's kind of like an egg shape, like that. And then her eyes are circles, but they have a little white chunk taken out of them, right? So they've got like, it's nearly a full circle, but then you just like curve this bit out and then color this black. You know, it's kind of like Pac-Man. So his mouth there. And you do the same on the other side, so you'll just go around. It's just a highlight, and they put it right into the eye shape. And then just color black. Alternatively, you could use like white paint to just dip onto that. You could do that either way. Okay, so then she's got like a big smile. So we'll like curve a line this way underneath her eyes. Looks like the mouth's closed, but we'll open it up. You're kind of drawing a banana. That's what the shape is. Kind of banana shape. And then her mouth is slightly open, so we can see like a little bit of her teeth here. Like her teeth are separated is what I mean, you know. You can see the black inside. Okay, and you can color that black. And then her face shape is just round, so it's like a sort of a wine glass kind of shape, right? So it just curves around. Doll-like. Just goes up into her eyelashes there. and it'll go underneath it. Then we kind of get these bits of hair that kind of curl. So she's got like a fringe here. So like this goes up. It gets pinned back maybe. And we just finish the hairline there. So she's got another piece of hair that like sticks up sort of like this. And then she has long pieces of hair that come down by her ears. Right, and her ears then will sort of come out from here. Little sort of round ears there. Yeah, so about the same level. And then they just do sort of like, we'll do normal sort of ear lines just inside there. And you can kind of just see the back of her head sort of bumping down here. And then along the top. So there's all like hairlines and textures and stuff on this as well, following the hair. And then we go down the side of her head here. So it's all like tied up. Tight and then braided, obviously. Before we tackle the big braids, we'll do her body though. So her neck, very small skinny neck here. And then we get a shoulder going down there. And this shoulder is slightly higher up. It goes, there's like a strap there or something. Looks like a t-shirt. And then it's got like dungarees, denim sort of things. So say like the t-shirt there. And the collar of her t-shirt here. And then we'll do a strap. Curving around that way. Just put a line on it. Strap here. Give it a sort of an edge line just there. And then just like a button. Just connecting it to the... Right, so then the top part, you know, those two lines first. And then the top part goes this way. And then down. And I think it just closes off for her back here, you know. And then the front of it will go down towards her dress, yeah. So in that way. And then there's like zigzags kind of down here, just you can see a white sort of section. Just a couple of V's like this. And then there's like her dress lines like in the center here. And then she has a star on this. So draw a star. I know stars can be sort of tricky sometimes. Some lines on her t-shirt. Right, and then her arms, they're doll-like, you know, so there's two lines coming down with a curved line on the bottom, so they're like cylinders. And then we have a ball joint, so like curve there. Then we get another cylinder, another long pipe. And then she has these delicate hands. I'll just do the other pipes over here. the little ball and socket joint. The pipe there. So her hands, so she's doing this sort of ballerina kind of, you know, fingers pointing out. We can see 4, I think. So say like bottom of her hand here, they're very basic, you know, they just do thumb coming out like that. And then this finger just sort of points out here, back around, then 2 more. Okay. And then we'll do that over here, but it's kind of pointing more up. So palm of her hand, thumb, index finger going up, and then 2 more. Like that. So those braids, this is the trickiest part, I would say, maybe. Well, unless you're really good at drawing braids, then it won't be hard for you at all. So let's try. So like, it's just pipes and she's got like claws on the end. So let's just go, and I'll just do sort of bumpy line, and we'll try and like make up the braids then inside. So kind of like flicks up here somewhere. And we'll do the other side of this. So we'll just into there. So you're doing it wavy because they're wavy on the outside. And then we'll add the claws, sort of like 3 claws. It's kind of like Doc Ock from Spider-Man. Do another one this side, kind of going out from behind her head over here. This one might go off my page, or will I? No, the claws kind of face us forward. It's kind of like an open flower down there. So it's kind of like 3 claws coming towards us. So like one on top here. So like with a little sort of spike on the top of it there. Okay, so 2 braids, and she has a massive one that goes down behind her back. So this one's like big bumps, right? So these are real big, sort of bumpy parts. I'll probably go maybe in behind her arm, sort of here. And then comes in under her hand. And then like, I think it just goes like down here somewhere. Like off the page down there, maybe. Okay, now we have to attempt to like put braids in this. So they seem to kind of like crisscross one another, sort of like that, you know? So they like kind of bump. So they like overlap. Some of them are really long, like unusually long for braids. You're getting this kind of effect, right? It's like, you know, those pretzel things that you get. just keep trying to get this sort of pattern, this weave going down. Can be a bit tricky, especially when they like turn like in different directions and stuff. Right. We'll do it over here as well. Do our best. So now you can probably hear my children running around. Okay, and then the big one here goes in. This one's kind of like spiraling around, kind of. And right, and then you can put some like textures on each of them, just show it's kind of hairy. You know, all these curved lines, just following the direction of the braid. Just one or two on each braid. Okay. Lily Lovebraids from Poppy Playtime. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.